Now, just in case you want to see, you can click view on Etherscan right here, guys, and it will bring you to this page, and it will show you kind of what's going on, the breakdown. You know, how long it's going to take, the amount of gas that was used, and we'll estimate between 9 and 16 minutes. Probably won't take that long, but we shall see. Gas was about 21 gwei, which is awfully low. Yeah, awfully. For in CoinGecko, it's 23. So hopefully it'll be okay here, which it'll go through, and then we'll see it here in a second. Now while we're waiting on that, we're gonna go ahead and connect our wallet over here. Oh, going real fast. Yeah, chain back to the magnet. We're going to get ourselves a little bit of Matic real fast so we can send transactions. Everything we gotta receive. Make sure we're a human. What? Okay. So we click receive right here. Oh, it didn't like our answer. So click receive. Now we can go back here, make sure we're human. Apparently I'm not. All the motorcycles, click receive. And we'll bang. And you can do this up to 3 times a day, as long as you don't have the Matic in your wallet, which this will take care of a couple of transactions. Quite a few. So, as you can see, you can get, this Faucet will send you 0.005, which 0005, which it sent us 0.001. I don't know if that's just because it's our first time or not. With 0.001, you can do 100 basic transactions. So, as you can see, we can go here, boom, we got Matic. So whenever our Ethereum shows up and we get our Ethereum from here, we'll be able to go to SushiSwap and be able to either swap our wrapped ether for something for more Matic, or send it into a farm, or do whatever we want to do at that point. So, yeah. Little quick how-to video, guys. It's super quick, super simple. Just kind of had to use the bridge and make sure you have Matic on to your wallet, as well as using the Matic supply. Like I said, you can do this 3 times a day, as long as you use your Matic. So get your Matic and then send it somewhere else. Then you can claim another one in 15 minutes. So it's every 15 minutes, but it's only 3 times a day to use the Polygon Faucet to get free Matic in order to send some transactions. So pretty awesome, guys. Pretty FA. Catch y'all next time, and peace out.